Hey y'all, I'm Thomas with Fostered Woodworks, and today I want to show you 5 ways that I use CA glue with woodworking. Stick around to the end of the video for a bonus tip. This video is sponsored by Starbond. If you don't already use Starbond CA glues, I would recommend checking it out. I've been using Starbond CA glue now for a couple years, and I really love that they have different viscosities for different tasks in the garage. Go check out their site for their products. My first and probably most common use for CA glue is for filling cracks. You can see in this coaster, there are a lot of cracks that I want to fill to help stabilize the wood a little bit. And CA glue is a great way to get these cracks filled and dried quickly. That way you can continue to work. You can see here that I've covered the coaster with blue tape on the back. That way the glue will stay in the crack and won't leak out the back before it cures. I'm also using Accelerator to help speed up this process. I prefer to use the medium thick or gap filler CA glue product for this. And then I also use the micro tips to help get the glue in the small edges of the cracks. So for use number 2, we're back to the coaster. I'd like to be able to keep this bark on the edges just to have a little bit extra character. And without putting any glue or epoxy or something on the edges, the bark's just gonna fall off eventually. So what I'll be using is a thin CA glue to help seal this, and it'll help keep it on longer. Use number 3, and probably one of my favorites, is to use CA glue with blue tape to create my own double-sided tape that won't leave a residue. I tend to use this method for template routing or for making a quick joiner sled for the table saw. You stick the tape on the template, and then you also stick it on your workpiece. And then what you'll do is take the CA glue and put it on one side, and then you'll take the accelerator and spray the other side, and then press down firmly, and it will bond instantly. So for use number 4, it's to fix chipped or broken pieces. This one fell on the floor. I'd like to be able to fix this without having to start a new piece. Be careful when you're gluing these small pieces back on. Your fingers can and will get stuck together if they get glue on them. That's where the Debonder product comes in really handy. If you've ever been working on a piece that you want to glue together, but it's just a weird shape, or you don't feel like waiting for the glue to dry, you can put the glue on, but then also put a couple drops of the CA glue on one side and then Accelerator on the other, and you'll have a temporary clamp. This will help you to keep working on your piece while the glue's still drying. So for my bonus tip, it will be fixing kids' toys. If your kids are anything like mine, they tend to break a lot of toys. So before you go throwing your toys away, try using CA glue to fix it. So these are 5 ways that I use CA glue for woodworking. Leave a comment down below with your favorite way to use CA glue, or maybe the most unique way you've ever used it. If you use the code in the description down below on the Starbond website, that can get you 10% off at checkout. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Have a good day, y'all.